saw my baby walking with another man today. When I saw my baby walking with another man today. When I asked her what's the matter, and this is what I heard her say: see you later, alligator, off the right crocodile. See you later, alligator, off the wild crocodile. Can't you see you in my way now? Don't you know the grandma style? When I thought of what she told me, I'd need to lose my head. When I thought of what she told me, I need to lose my head. Oh, next time I saw her, I remember what she said: see you later, alligator, off the wild crocodile. See you later, alligator, off the wild crocodile. Can't you see you ain't my way now? Don't you know the proper style? Yeah, all right, this next one. Just for you. She said, sorry, baby, you know my love was just for you. Won't you say you forgive me? I say your love for me was true. Oh, see you later, alligator, off the wild crocodile. See you later, alligator, off the wild crocodile. Can't you see you in my way now? Don't you know the drama style? Say, wait a minute, gator, I know you mean it just for play. Say, wait a minute, gator, I know you mean it just for play. Don't you know you really hurt me? And this is what I have to say: yeah. See you later, alligator, off the wild crocodile. See you later, alligator, off the wild crocodile. Can't you see you ain't my way now? Don't you know your grandma's line? That's all, so long, goodbye. Tack för er, det var bra.